So this is an introduction to netlify. This is how you push ideas to the web. So if you have a code, a project you are working on that you've vibe coded or you have coded on your IDE, you can easily push it to the web and make it accessible to people to test. So you have a link, a link will be supplied to you. So you can push from GitHub, push from your PC. It all doesn't matter, right? So it says build with AI or code. Deploy instantly. One platform with everything you need to make real apps. So how do we even get to this platform? You just go to Google and you type net, netlify, and you search. You see the first link. You click on it. It brings you to this page. So you need to log into your netlify account. There are so many ways to log in, but you have to sign up first. You sign up with either, oh, I'm already signed in. I have to sign out, so I show you how it's done. I need to sign out first. So sign up. So when you click on sign up, it brings you here. You can sign up with your Google Mail, GitHub, your GitLab, or your Bitbucket, or you use your email. So I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. So I'll go to login. So let me actually go back and click on login here. Okay, even though there is still login, when you click on sign up, you can still see login here, so you can still click it from here. So I'm going to sign in with my GitHub. So my GitHub is already signed into, so if I just click on it, it just syncs together. So but if your GitHub has not been signed into, it will prompt you to go and sign into your GitHub, then so I can link them together. So this will automatically sign me in. Okay, so I'm in. Now this might seem confusing, the whole interface. I'm just going to break it down. You only need to understand three core things. One, the side menu. Two is this interface where that shows your project basically, and three is this button right here. This is where you import your project. So you import an existing project, or you start from template. So you deploy manually from your PC. You can upload the folder or import an existing project from GitHub, or you can start from a template. So if I click on this, it takes me to this part. It asks me GitHub, GitLab, Azure, or Bitbucket. So I pick the one I want, and it prompts me to find the project on GitHub, which means I must have uploaded the project to GitHub already. So once I sync them together, it will import the project. Now if I choose deploy manually, it brings me to netlify drop. So even if you just type netlify drop on Google, it will bring you to this interface. So all you need to do is to drag the folder and drop it here. Now if you don't want to drag and drop, you can still click on browse to upload, and for every file you're trying to upload, you only look for the src file in your folder. That is this particular file. This is what you have to upload to netlify. Once you upload it, it loads it in. And once it does, it becomes a project. It gets listed there. This is it. So this is the link you can share to people to view your app. So you have a quick setup, a database. These ones are some things you eventually get to know about later. And what else can I show you quickly? Okay, so you can still view with this, but I want to do that so we don't get distracted. So this is the link that's available to you, and you can buy a new domain immediately if you find it. That this is, if you find the project okay and you feel that this is how you want it to be, you can easily go to domain management and add new domain, buy a new domain, or add in a domain you already own. So once you click on this, it takes you to a platform where you can buy a domain. Let's see. So we'll check that out later. And what else do you need to know? Let's go back to the home page. So if you click on start from templates, it brings you to this page where you can start with any template they already have. So you can actually use any of these templates to start your own project, okay? And it also works out for you. Then what else do you need to know? Coming on this side, you have your projects, which is this, your builds. So new project from Git. So from GitHub, right? Netlify can automate builds of your new project each time you push a change to Git repo. So basically, you already have your project on GitHub, and each time you make a change, it also reflects it because you already sync them together. So these are the basic things you have to understand on Netlify for now. So I don't take it too advanced or make it too complex for you. So let's see, what is this view editor dashboard? Okay, so this is already taking us away from what we need to know. So like I said, this is how you log out. You sign out. User settings is over here. Your project is over here. So each time you can push a new project and it will appear at the top. So even if you make corrections, maybe you're working with your PC, not GitHub, each time you make corrections to your edit and you push it again, it appears on top. So you can push the same project several times. You can see all your versions will be listed down below. Okay, so you can feel free to delete anyone you want to delete from here. Once you open it up, and you can just come down, just each of these projects has their own settings, right? So once you click on, let's say you deploy this one just now, you just click on this. So this main side menu gets closed up, and you have this new menu here to view the details of your project. This is the project link and when it was published. When you click on configuration and you scroll down, you can see more details about your project, and another menu pops up here. You can still view, go back to configuration, see the members that are on your project. Okay, this is where you don't go to, this delete. So but once you click on project configuration and you scroll all the way down, this is how you can disable the project. It won't be available online, or you can delete it completely. This will still be available as a project within your interface, right? But it will not be visible online. But when you delete this, you are deleting it completely from visibility. Like you can't find it again in your project list. Okay, so go back to project overview, projects, then so this is basics you need to understand the side menu, understand the projects and the versions, and then this is where you actually upload a project. This is your support, this is for news, and here you have edit filters. You want to filter what is listed here. So these are the basics you need to understand as a beginner for Netlify. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and good night.